Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare Excel Dashboard versus Power BI. Open both tools on your screen and follow along as we walk through setup, data connection, and visualization choices. I will point out strengths, typical use cases, and common pitfalls so you can choose the right tool for your workflow. Expect practical examples, clear comparisons, and tips to speed up your reporting without confusing jargon. Let's compare core features and flexibility to help you decide which fits your needs. We will explore pivot tables, slicers, and formulas in Excel, then shift to Power BI's data model, relationships, and DAX measures. I'll highlight where Excel shines for ad hoc analysis and where Power BI excels for automated refreshes and centralized dashboards. Pay attention to sharing, governance, and how each tool scales with your data volume. Now we'll look at performance and cost to balance budget with capability. I will explain dataset limits, refresh cadence, and typical slow points you may hit in Excel. Then I'll compare how Power BI compresses data, uses query folding, and offers scheduled refreshes. We'll also break down licensing scenarios so you can estimate costs based on users, refresh needs, and whether you need premium features for bigger deployments.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.